Alright, we're back again. Here we are, guys, after all that weird wonderful talk I just did this morning, making that nice video. I found out, a bit embarrassing because I had other people here at the time, found out I did the wrong height. But I was supposed to, the height's right, it's just that I took the wrong measurement for the stumps. So now I've got to chop them all down. So I've got to take that much out of them. So you will get to see me drilling the ends and do all that I was supposed to do yesterday. Okay, so at least I know how to do it quickly now. Learned all that. Now it's, yeah, I've got to take them all out, chop them all, which is a waste of time. But yes, even I screw up. Don't do it very often. Been doing this too long. But I screw up quite regularly actually, but yeah, not stuff most people would see. But this one is definitely a big screw up. I've been a bit stressed lately, especially with the, I don't know if you noticed on the speech, I have a bit of trouble speaking because I had a minor stroke some 4 weeks ago. And half my face doesn't work, so my lips don't work properly on the left side of the face to help me do speech properly. So if you think I'm mumbling a bit, I am. Okay, and I can't help it because one side of the face doesn't work. So I've got to go through, chop all these off, redo them, and I've still got to fit them today. So yeah, I've got a bit of work ahead of me. Frankie's not real thrilled with me at the moment, but yeah, he's still going. And yeah, I better get into it instead of doing these videos. I will talk to you again soon and show you some more once we start drilling. Thanks. Bye.